Hello everyone. Today I will present about integrated geochemical framework, earth systems, contaminants, and global sustainability practice. This presentation explains how earth systems work, how pollution spreads, and how geochemistry helps protect the environment. Earth system. Earth systems are made of reservoirs and cycles. A reservoir is a place where elements are stored, such as the atmosphere and carbonate rocks. Flux means movement of materials between reservoirs. Residence time means how long an element stays in one reservoir. Phase cycles happen in the atmosphere, while slow cycles happen in rocks. The imbalance between fast and slow cycles can affect climate change. Water and rock interaction. This slide explains weathering and water-rock interaction. Minerals react with water and acid. For example, potassium feldspar reacts and changes into kaolinite clay. During this process, ions are released into water. Important factors are pH and redox potential. Clay minerals can also trap pollutant naturally. Atmospheric dynamics. This slide explains atmospheric chemistry. Greenhouse gases like carbon dioxide and methane trap heat in the atmosphere. Photochemical reactions happen when sunlight breaks molecules. This process forms aerosols and other chemical compounds. Aerosols affect cloud formation and earth temperature. Heavy metal contamination. This slide discusses heavy metals and radionuclides. Arsenic can come from sulfide weathering and may cause cancer. Mercury from mining activities can become toxic through bacterial process. Uranium from nuclear waste has chemical and radioactive dangers. Change in oxygen conditions can release contaminants into groundwater. PFAS pollution. This slide explains our forever chemicals. Very difficult to break down. They can spread through air emissions, groundwater infiltration, and wastewater discharge. Short chain move quickly in groundwater. Long chain can accumulate in the food chain and affect living organisms. Carbon sequestration. This slide explains geological carbon sequestration. Carbon dioxide is injected underground in supercritical form. There are four trapping mechanisms. First, structural trapping. Second, residual trapping. Third, solubility trapping. Fourth, mineral trapping. This method helps reduce carbon emissions and climate change. Waste management. This slide explains acid mine drainage. Pyrite react with oxygen and water. This reaction produces sulfuric acid and dissolve heavy metals. They reduce pollution. Geochemists use prediction, prevention, and modeling methods. Examples include humidity cell test, vegetation covers, and leachate modeling. Analytical tools. This slide shows analytical tools used in geochemistry. ICP-MS detects trace elements at very low concentrations. XRV and SEM analyze rocks and minerals. IRMS measures isotope ratio. PHREEQC software is used for geochemical modeling and reaction simulation. For the slide one, Earth system have reservoirs, fluxes, and cycles that process, control climate and material movement on Earth. For the slide 2, water and rock interact through weathering. This process change minerals and release ions into water. For slide 3, greenhouse gases and aerosols affect an Earth's atmosphere and temperature. Sunlight also causes important chemical reactions. For the slide 4, heavy metals like arsenic and mercury can pollute water and harm human health. For the slide 5, PFAS are called forever chemicals because they are difficult to break down and spread easily. Carbon sequestration. For the slide 6, carbon sequestration stores carbon dioxide underground to reduce climate change. For the slide 7, mining waste can produce acid mine drainage. Geochemical methods help control pollution. For the slide 8, scientists use tools like ICP-MS, XRF, and PHREEQC for environmental analysis. Geochemistry helps protect Earth and supports environmental sustainability. Geochemistry helps us understand Earth systems and environmental problems. Professional geochemists study pollution, climate change, and sustainability. Environmental geochemistry connects science with real-world environmental solutions. For my presentation, I will be say thank you